This is how to play phezu komhlaba by Mnqobile nxumalo. The original key of the song is the key of A, which is this key right here. But in this video, we're going to break it down on the key of C sharp, which is this key right here. Okay, I'm going to start first by playing it to you guys on the key of A so that you can remember it. And then we're going to break it down on the key of C sharp after that. So in the key of A, it says phezu komhlaba amazwe ngamazwe, phezu komhlaba izizwe ngezizwe, apho intetho zahluka hlukayo, apho amaninzi amasikwenziwayo. So that's the progression that you're going to play throughout the song. It's very simple. So we're going to break it down on the key of C sharp. I'm not going to tell you guys which inversion I'm playing. I think I'll make a video soon where I'm going to teach you guys the inversions. But in this video, I'm just going to mention the chords by numbers. Alright? So it starts right on our number 6 on the key of C sharp. This is our number 6. From number 6, it goes to 5. From 5, it goes to 1. From 1, it goes back to 5. And then from 5, it goes to 2. From 2, it goes to 1. Let's repeat it again. I said it's 6, 5, 1, back to 5, 2, and then back to 1. Okay, so that's our first part. You're going to repeat the same thing 2 times. Alright, so let's introduce the bass. When you play your number 6 on the right, on the left you're also going to play 6. When you go to 5, on the left you're going to play 7. When you go to 1, on the left you're also going to play 1. When you go back to 5, on the left you're also going to play 5. When you go to 2, on the left you're also going to play 2. And then when you go to 1, on the left you're also going to play 1. I said you're going to repeat the same thing 2 times. That's our first part, okay? This is where it says phezu komhlaba amazwe ngamazwe, phezu komhlaba izizwe ngezizwe. Okay, that's our first part. So let's break down our second part. Our second part starts on our number 4. This is our number 4 on the key of C sharp. It starts here. From 4, it goes to 5. From 5, it goes to 2. From 2, it goes to 1. From 1, you go back to 4. And then you play 5, second inversion, which is this chord. And then you play 2. And then you play 1, first inversion. Alright? I said it's 4, 5, 2, 1, and then you go to back to 4, and then 5, second inversion, and then 2, second inversion, and then 1, first inversion. Okay, let's move to the bass. When you play 4 on our second part, on the left you go to 4. When you go to 5, on the left you also go to 5. When you go to 2, on the left you also go to 2. And then 1. When you go back to 4, on the left you also go to 4. And then you go to 5. When you go to 5, you stay on number 5 until you play 2. And then you go to 1. Okay? This is where it says apho amaninzi apho intetho zahluka hlukayo, apho amaninzi amasikwenziwayo. Sorry, I made a mistake. On the left you go to 1. When you go to 2 on the right. just like this. Right? It's for apho intetho zahluka hlukayo, and then apho amaninzi amasike nziwayo. Okay, when you play your number 2 seconded version, on the left you also go to, on the left you go to 1, and then you stay on number 1 until you play 1. Right? So let's start from the beginning. Phezu komhlaba amazwe ngamazwe, phezu komhlaba izizwe ngezizwe, apho intetho zahluka